How 2019 is shaping up to be Ariana Grande's best year yet. Ari recently said goodbye to 2018, a 12-month run she definitely won't miss, and she's moving forward at full throttle. She shows her gratitude in a new Instagram post about her chart-topping single, Thank You Next. Thank you for 7 weeks at #1, she says. What a beautiful start to this year. And it just keeps getting better. It's been announced Grande will headline the 3rd night of Coachella in April, and according to her manager Scooter Braun, she'll be the 4th female to ever headline and the youngest headliner in the history of the festival. Ariana breaking barriers out here. She's also in puppy love, but slow down, it's not with a human. Ari's continuing to spend time with Mac Miller's dog Myron in the first days of January. The good boy has appeared on her Instagram before and even almost played chauffeur once.
Myron, eyes on the road, dude!
When she takes Myron for a walk in 2019, we can tell she's feeling herself in pink fur and matching heels. But there is one low point which she points out in the hashtag, I picked up after this. Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, girl. As far as romance, she's also tweeted she'll keep her dates and dating life on the low. So if you ask who she's seeing, spoiler for the rest of this year, probably my life, it's no one. While we shouldn't hold our breath for another engagement ring, we do know Ari's got 7 rings on the way, aka her upcoming song about her closest female friends.
Thirsty for more celeb news? Make sure you subscribe to the E! News YouTube channel so you can stay informed on all the breaking updates. Come on, you know you want to be the first to know about all the latest hookups, breakups, arrests, and so much more.